Hey gang, just wanted to cover a few things related to storage of data and files on Anytype because the team has made some unique decisions in terms of the architecture of how the app works. I think a lot of it is driven by privacy, but they can obviously speak to the rationale more than I can. So we'll start with something simple, just the location of your data. That's very simple. Just go to File, Show Work Directory, and then your Finder window will pop up, and you can click on Data, and then on your account ID, which you'll probably, I think, be able to just get directly from the About Anytype, or just log out and log back in, and you can see it. And then you can see the different folders in there with a really kind of, again, unique file structure. So it's different than like an Obsidian or some of the files where you're just viewing Markdown, right? And you can view it directly in your file directory. It's not quite like that, but that is the location of your data in case you want to make sure it's being backed up in some way, shape, or form. So next, 1 gigabyte limit. This causes a lot of questions. It's for files, not objects, or not text and everything that's within Anytype. That's very straightforward. Number of files you upload is the 1 gig limit. Peer-to-peer syncing is how Anytype works. That's related to the peers in this network are actually in reference to your own devices. So, for example, if we go, let's see here, I thought I already made this happen. So if I link it out to a MacBook, I'll show everyone a quick diagram. And you can see this is kind of how to think about the storage of data on the Anytype network. You've got your own iPhone or whatever device, you've got a MacBook, and then you also have the Anytype backup node. And they're all basically, equal in terms of the playing field for devices and how your data is stored. So when you update something on your Mac, next time you open up that object on your iPhone, it'll sync there, and then Anytype is like an always-on device that's kind of always syncing between the other changes, the changes that you are making on any other device. And obviously, you could add another one, right? We could add if you have an iPad, let's say, then you end up with an iPad also connected, and obviously it would be connected to the other nodes as well. So pretty straightforward, I think, but it does cause a bit of confusion in that regard, just because it's not a typical server client architecture. It's device to device with a backup node that helps you stay in sync across them. Cool. So then let's go to the next one, which is local only mode is not released yet. So but hopefully it will be. And then they're also, I think on the roadmap, is custom storage locations is different than self-hosting, different than kind of this local only mode, and some of these terms kind of start to overlap. But custom storage location would be you just choose the location on your Mac versus being able to completely self-host and remove yourself from the Anytype backup node. So and these are the sources from the Telegram community, so just wanted to call out where I was getting all this information. So yeah, that's that. Storage in a nutshell on Anytype. Hopefully that's helpful. Thanks.